Hey, I know we all are facing terrible situation due to COVID, but we need to be strong and fight all together to counter this pandemic. इस कठिन वक्त की घड़ी में हम सबको घर में रहना है. If there is something really serious, then only step your foot out. Lastly recorded cases from all over India was approx 2 lakhs, and it was really very shocking. And the conditions are really very unpredictable. We need to stay calm and take every single precaution, and this phase will surely pass away. I know सब डरे हुए हैं, सब अपनों के साथ अपने घर में सुरक्षित रहना चाहते हैं. It's really very heartbreaking seeing our loved ones dying in front of our eyes. But during this toughest period when everyone wants to be safe and stay in their homes, some of our brave peoples are stepping their foot out of their houses, leaving their family at home to safeguard the people and make them aware of this pandemic. A big salute to our health workers, our police forces, our doctors who are working 24/7, and also few more peoples who are not being noticed by anyone, and they are equally risking their lives for the needy peoples. I just want to draw your attention towards these great peoples who are working effortlessly without any salary, without any fame. The NGO named as Arkavedhanam Foundation is taking every single step to provide food and shelters to the poor peoples. They are risking their lives as well as their families' life to help and support the police forces and hear the problems and voices which have never been heard by anyone. They provide food for the street dogs and also provide medical treatment for injured animals. Despite money pressure, despite their life pressure, despite this terrible pandemic pressure, they are still working hard and risking their lives for the needy people. They just have one goal, and that is to bring smile on these lovely faces all over India. I guess the only thing which we can give to them for risking their lives is just your support. The support from different sets of people all around India. So just provide them support by following them and encouraging them so that they won't feel that they are alone. शायद आपके एक फॉलो रिक्वेस्ट से उनके चेहरे पर स्माइल आ जाए, जो लाखों लोगों के चेहरे पर स्माइल लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ को रिस्क में डाल के. थैंक यू.